It looks like I've gone to another galaxy. I think that hunk of junk might help me find my wife. Let's go give that a try, huh?
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Shit. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. And it got so heartless I would set my friends to danger. You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Hello, hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Hondo was a very fast and very profitable expedition. You fucking like playing for the grave? Yes, yes. As I agree, you let us use the ship. We get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never go with me by the hair. Okay, time to go, so bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives spent on profit.
How many do you guys have right there? Right here. And you're gonna follow them, okay? Let's set that line. Awesome. Welcome in, welcome in. How many do you guys have line? Where's the line at? Here you go, right over here. Thank you.
They're not
right. They're not. So guess what? You guys are our pilots. They're the gunners. You'll be flight color purple. Let them know that you're all purple up here. Flight color.
Right. We're pilots, Mom. Yay! You haven't been a pilot before. That's great. I'm happy for you.
What color?
Purple and pilots.
Perfect, alright. Feel free to explore. We're gonna call you soon, okay?
Sounds good.
You are ready to rock and roll.
We're now in... Yes, purple. Where? You guys didn't hear what they... You didn't get... You ran right by them. You need to go get your new color. Yeah, you ran right by them.
Alright.
Purple pilots. And
Perfect.
gunners? Alright, I got our gunners.
Alright. Pilots. Have we been pilots before? Perfect. Pilot on the left, you'll be steering the ship left and right. That's all there is. Pilot on the right, you will be steering the ship up and down. Your controls, however, are inverted, so pulling back will pull the ship up, pushing forward will nosedive the ship down, and you'll be in charge of the hyperspace lever.
Sorry.
We're in trouble. And my gunners, you two will be defending the ship by pressing the red or the blue buttons to fire the lasers. Your orange button will fire the missiles. It'll be just a few moments while the droids finalize prepping the ship ready to reach.
Okay.
Good, how are you? Alright. I made it to work. Alright, flight crew, head in the hallway on the left. Good luck.
Welcome, my friends, right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Just kidding. A brand new Luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxial. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo.
Oh no, engineers! Oh no, we're
See
done.
you in the cockpit.
We can't fly. We got no engineers. What's going to happen?
Thank
For safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezca sentados.
Ooh, fancy seats.
All right, take your seats, buffalo seatbelts.
Get that
Oh,
seatbelt
and
on.
the drink cannot come inside. Sorry, I'll take it. I'll figure it out. You got it right there on the left.
Why won't it go in? Why won't it go in?
It's a little like
There we go. There we go.
Time is fine.
all right, so stand right here.
All right.
All right, guys, go ahead and tug on those yellow tabs right there. Perfect. All right, good luck, guys.
Anything green? Flip the switch.
Engine.
All right.
Automatic repair engaged.
All right. Here we go. Again. Sorry.
No, it's okay. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push the stick to fly down.
Oh no! Already messing up. Oh, you gotta turn us away from those things.
Pilot. Let's go get that flash down.
Oh, that was bad driving. Sorry.
There's our to light speed.
Let's go! Alright, come on, line us up behind the train. Okay, there's train to the right, man. Train to the right.
To us. Thank you, Mason.
To the right, man. Yeah, that's it. To the right, Mods. Oh, okay, we're going this way. All right. Okay. There it is, the train. Follow it.
After that thing. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free.
Oh,
That could have been much.
no.
Okay. It's much. You got one.
It was her fault. It's her fault. Back from Bud's mouth. There we go.
You see, just as I thought that's what they did. They did something for Hondo. Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. We're sideways. We keep shooting.
Get that.
You got this direction. I will have it.
Get that out of the train. Get that train, man. Get that train. Oh no. Oh, we hit something. Oh no, we're hitting stuff. Oh no, we're hitting stuff. No. Oh, we're hitting stuff. Oh no.
Fire the missiles.
Oh no. Okay, we gotta get up. Let's get out of here. You're going straight, Mom. Straight, Mom. Let's get out of here. I said that already. Oh. Please, where are you? Alright, Chewie will take over.
Chewie retreat.
Please take over.
I'd say this would greatly help the resistance. overheard the first order I made.
There's our score.
Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon.
Oh.
Hey, not bad.
100%.
So, I don't know what you thought, Mom, but
Collisions!
zero boost.
All
Zero,
right. Let's report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, could be worse. Life support failure. Okay, that's something.
life support failure.
Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batuu.
I was gonna say, can we get out? Marauder. There we go.
Oh,
Good job, Patrick. You gotta connect it up this way.
Thanks, Gunners. All right, Mom.
Well, that needs to be transported back to the maintenance bay.
Y'all good, Mom?
Fix all that before the world can see that.
Really good job.
All good. All right. Whew. Oh, I think there's something wrong with the Millennium Falcon, Mom. What did you do to this poor beast of machine? Oh. Oh my, you. Well, we better get out of here before Chewie gets here. So yeah, we'll keep looking for Lee's, and yeah, keep watching. We got a lot more from Disneyland. Oh my goodness, let's get out of here. Chewie, it wasn't me.